One of the objectives in grade 3 math is to represent a number using a number line. And I'm just going to go through a very simple version of something that we would be responsible for covering in grade 3. So if we have a number like 79 and we're trying to figure out where on the number line that would fit, you know, we could say that it's closer to 100 than it is to 0, but we want to try and get as precise as we can. So the first thing we would do is cut the number line in half and determine that the midway point between 0 and 100 would be 50. The next thing we would do is determine if 79 comes before or after that midway point of 50, so that we can further determine how closely we can get it. So because it comes between 50 and 100, we're going to kind of forget about this area here. And we're going to have a look now at this area between the 50 and the 100. We're going to cut that again in half, and the midway point between 50 and 100 would be 75. So we're starting to get close. We do various skip counting activities in grade 3. The children are responsible for knowing how to rote skip count by 5, 10, and 25, as well as 100. And they should use their benchmarks then to go from the 75 to the 100. They can cut that again going 75, 80, 85, 90, 95, 100. I'm not exact in my cuts, but you can see how we would go about doing that. And now, because we've got 80 as our next benchmark, or in French we would call it un point de référence, and we would say 79 is closer. We could go and cut this again, you know, but 79 is closer to 80 than it is to 75. So I'll just do this part in red here. So that is roughly where we would plot 79 on our number line.